Thank you, Baji. Thank you for joining us. Mr. Sehwag, first of all, I would like to know that how did this all go about this web series? Means, how did this idea come about?
I think I always gave a one-liner to media, to press conferences, and to my friends and to my opposition team friends. So and I thought so when I got retired. So I was writing on Twitter, then writing something on Facebook, and it becomes very famous. And fans reacted really well, and they want me to do something like that on for them on web series. So that's how I started this Viru Ke Fun Day, and I met one of my friend. His name is Vikram Sate. He did a lot of mimicry for cricketers, and so I met him a lot of time, and then he did his own show, What the Duck, and guy who he took the interview, and I gave a lot of stories on that show, and then I discussed with him that I want to do something like that. So he helped me in to make this Viru Ke Fun Day, and there is some cricketing stories, and there is a general life fundas, and then that's how it comes to my mind, and I made it, and now I put it on View, where people can go and watch the Viru Ke Fun Day. I was not acting. When you see the Viru Ke Fun Day, that it was like a discussion with friends on chai, and we are having tea and having fun. So they're asking me a lot of questions about how to handle wife and how to exit from the WhatsApp group, how to lose weight. That's the normal lives, people's problem which they are facing day to day. And they thought that maybe Virender Sehwag is a big player, he can give a good answer or he can solve their problems. But I don't think so. Anybody can solve these problems. These problems remain same. So what I did, so I told them clearly that I'm not able to solve these problems, but I can give you good advice, I can give you good fundas, I can share my cricketing experience with you guys, and if you learn something, then you can apply in your life.
So basically the theme is based on the lessons that you have probably learned in life, the lessons that you would have learned during your initial days, when you initial days of your career, where you faced a lot of problems. I remember in one of the interviews you were talking to Sir Asha Bhogle, where you said that there was one of your friends, Dharmesh, who helped you buy a scooter and all that. So what do you have to say to people who are currently facing adversity in their life?
So, there are a lot of problems and a lot of pains in people's life, and you watch Viru Ke Fun Day, you will laugh, and if you make somebody laugh, that is a great thing, and that's what I'm trying to do. That if you watch my fundas, I'm sure that you will laugh and forget whatever happening in your life, and take out some time and watch the Viru Ke Fun Day and laugh, and you will enjoy it. And whatever I had experienced in the past with my married life or with my cricketing life, and the mixture of both, I gave a lot of cricketing stories and examples, and then whatever learned from married life. So I share my experience through my Viru Ke Fun Day, and you will see when you will watch. Success is nothing, but if you want to be successful, then you can watch the Viru Ke Fun Day and you can learn something out of it. Whatever you want to do in life, just do it. Don't worry about success. If you do it in the right way, if you're ready to work hard, I think success will come your way.
So Paji, with the current form and everything, so what gyan would you have to give to Indian team? Do you basically think that they stand a chance of retaining the Champions Trophy title?
Champions Trophy is so far. So I think at the moment we are playing against England, and I'm sure that India will beat England. And last two series we lost against England, but this time England will have a hard time to to win a Test series in India. And I'm sure Virat Kohli team, they will do really well and win the series at least 2-1 or 3-0. See, a reporter doing his job, whatever question he will ask, he has a right to ask, and it's depend on the person who are giving answer. So you can divert the question, and you can give some different answer and give one-liner and make the whole press box to laugh.
That's really nice. Paji, last question. Cricket All-Stars was a big success last year. So with the joining of Kevin Pietersen and Brendan McCullum, popularity of the show, this tournament will probably increase more?
I don't know, because I haven't got any invitation from them, so I haven't signed anything. But I'm sure that All-Star, everybody wants to watch that, especially that Indian public wants to more Indian player to participate in All-Star or Superstar or whoever. So I'm waiting from the organizers. If they will mail me, they will ask me, then only I can participate. But at the moment, yes, they are saying that they will organize in 2017. I'm just you just wait and watch when they will do that.
Well, thank you, Mr. Sehwag, for your time. It was really nice talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you.